Struggling to speak English confidently? Most apps focus on beginners. But what if you need real speaking practice? That's where Fluently comes in. Let's find out if it's worth it or not. Now, before we start, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. What is Fluently? Fluently is your personal AI English tutor for people who already know basic English but want to speak fluently and naturally. It's a 24/7 English speaking partner, much more affordable than hiring a human tutor. The problem many of us face is that we can read and write English, but when it comes to speaking, we often freeze. Most apps focus on grammar drills instead of real conversation, and human tutors are expensive and hard to schedule. That's exactly why Fluently felt different to me. When I first opened the app, I started with an assessment call where the AI tutor held a natural conversation, asking about my job, interests, and daily life. I spoke normally for about 3 to 4 minutes while the app analyzed my English in real time. Afterwards, I received a detailed breakdown of my pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and fluency, along with my English level and a score out of 100. And for my pronunciation, it showed me exactly which sounds were giving me trouble and listed specific words where I struggled with accuracy percentages. The vocabulary analysis tracked my active vocabulary and suggested stronger alternatives when I overused simple words. For grammar, it highlighted my exact mistakes in my sentences and showed me corrections in real time. The fluency check measured my speaking pace and tracked my filler words, showing me exactly how many times I used words like so or basically. I can also choose from different practice modes like teacher for structured lessons, mock interview for job prep, deadline negotiations for business scenarios, or casual chit-chat. I can customize my tutor completely. Choose voice, gender, adjusted speaking pace. Pick from 9 teaching styles, including cheerful, patient, strict, or encouraging. Every conversation is saved, so I can review sessions anytime. See full transcripts with timestamps and follow tutor recommendations. The app also tracks my progress through the modules, showing which topics I need to focus on and how many minutes I've spoken compared to my daily goal, keeping me motivated and on track. What I love most about Fluently is how it fits into my daily routine. I can practice while cooking, cleaning, during walks, or even while commuting. It's like having a conversation with a friend who's always there to help me improve. No need to schedule anything or sit down for a formal lesson. I just open the app whenever I have a few free minutes and start talking. Now, Fluently is free to download, but to actually use the AI tutor and unlock full conversations, you'll need a paid subscription. They offer 3-month and annual plans, with the annual plan giving you the best value overall, around 20 times cheaper than a human tutor. Perfect for non-native speakers who want confidence in speaking, whether for interviews, work, or daily business communication. Fluently makes practicing real conversations easy, convenient, and affordable. Make sure to use the link in the description down below. Hit that like button if this helps you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.